Good day, everyone. Today I will present my final thesis entitled Length-Weight Relationships of Buccaneer Anchovy and Splendid Funny Fish Caught by BB Ringnet in Coastal Waters of Panacan and Calatigas, Nara, Palawan. I am Clarish Sadang, taking up Bachelor of Science in Fisheries. Length-weight relationship is a basic information for fish stock assessment and used to convert length to weight. It has several applications, namely on fish biology, physiology, ecology, and fisheries assessment. It gives us the life history and morphological comparison between different fish species or between different fish population from different habitats. Buccaneer anchovy, locally known as dilis, is a schooling species found inshore and in oceanic water, sometimes entering large atoll lagoons or deep clear bays. Ranked among the most important food for tuna and other large pelagic fishes, and it has a total length of 13 centimeters. Splendid funny fish, locally known as lawayan or sapsap, is a schooling and marine species that thrives in a deep range of 10 to 100 meters. It feeds on fish, crustaceans, foraminifers, bivalves as well as on planktons. It has a maximum length of 17 centimeters with a common length of 15 centimeters. Baby ringnet is the municipal ringnets locally known as pangulong or taksay, with a circumference length of 300 meters and deep of 30 meters. It is operated using the 4DR5 with 80 horsepower engine. For the objectives, the study aims to determine the length-weight relationship parameter A or intercept, B or slope, or R squared for coefficient of correlation of Buccaneer anchovy and splendid funny fish. Materials and method. For the study area, a specimen was collected from the coastal waters of Barangay Panacan and Calatigas, Nara, Palawan, with 48 fishers engaged in baby ringnet operation. For the source of data, the study has utilized the secondary data from the research project entitled Fisheries Management within the Municipal Waters of Nara, Palawan, under the collaboration between the Western Philippines University Puerto Princesa campus and the Municipal Agricultural Office of Nara, Palawan. For the data analysis, we'll be using the formula W equals A times L and B exponent, where W is weight in gram, L is for total length in centimeter, A is intercept, and B for slope. For the B value, when B is equals to 3, isometric growth pattern happen. When B is not equal to 3, allometric growth pattern happen. It could be positive or negative. Positive allometric growth when B exponent is greater than 3, while negative allometric growth happen when B is less than 3. For the result and discussion, for the length-weight composition of Buccaneer anchovy, it has a total of 1,203 individuals were examined with a length range of 4 to 9 cm and has a mean and standard deviation of 6.47 and 0.98 cm. The most number of samples fall within the length of 6 to 7 cm with an average of 68.33%. And for the length composition of splendid funny fish, it has a total of 310 individual with a length range of 5 to 15.9 cm and has a mean and standard deviation of 2.47 and 10.42 cm. The most number of samples fall within the length of 3 and 7 cm with an average of 36.77%. For the analysis of length-weight relationship, data from 2019 to 2022 were pulled and filtered manually by removing the outliers using the Microsoft Excel. A total of 1,203 individuals were examined. The result of length-weight relationship analysis showed an equation of W equals 0.0283, length of 2.334 with a coefficient of correlation or R squared of 0.802. This showed a moderately high correlation between the length and weight. The growth exponent is negative allometric due to the value of b is less than 3, which means that the fish becomes slender as it increases in weight. For splendid funny fish, the result of length-weight relationship analysis showed an equation of W equals 0.0009, L of 3.978 with a coefficient of correlation of 0.984. This showed a highest correlation between the length and weight. The growth exponent is positive allometric due to the value of b is greater than 3. It indicates that when the fish becomes relatively stouter or deeper bodied as it increases in length. And for the conclusion, the growth of fish, which might be attributed to environmental condition or linked to the morphological characteristics specific to each species, habitat, the quantity of food available, the number of fish utilizing the same food source, oxygen, water quality, and salinity could influence the rate of growth. And it's the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.